Well, this is hopefully a quick one. I just got in the mail some new high beam lights from Auxito. They wanted me to test them out and see how they compare to the original factory bulbs. So figured I'd walk through that install. It seems fairly straightforward. All you have to do really is take the old light out, which is just a little rotate and then pull. These are the 905 HB3. Oh, look at that. It comes with little gloves for handling the bulbs. That's pretty nice. Especially considering, I don't know if you saw, but it looks like this one was actually touched when it was installed, which is why it bulges up like that. There are also zip ties. These look like O-rings, an Allen key, little instruction manual, and then the bulbs themselves, which I got the most powerful ones, which are a little bit more involved. I guess that this is a little ballast to turn on the light, so it'll probably draw more current upon strike up. But the back of the bulb has a fan in it. I don't know how long that'll last, but it should just slide in together. I'm just gonna carefully disconnect this, and it might take a little bit of wiggling. So there you go. Oh, that's interesting. It actually comes with an O-ring already installed. So, okay. The wires are pretty obviously indicated. There's one that's black and white. I'm gonna assume that's the negative terminal. There it goes. Just like that. I went ahead and turned on the brights just to make sure that everything matches up, and I was correct that the wiring, there's a red wire and a white wire. White wire is ground, red is positive. I am gonna zip these up. I remembered that I wanted to test it before I did so, just in case. And then it'll be good to go. There's a little bit of fan noise, which is also true about the regular headlight bulbs. Not sure how well you can hear it, but it's definitely noticeable. I noticed that when I park the truck and shut it off, I can actually hear the bulbs ever so slightly. So when I open my door, you know, it shuts off, the noise goes away. But I am curious how those fans will hold up in the long run, since the back is just completely exposed. I sort of assume that it's not going to end very well, so I might come up with some kind of a housing for those. For the regular headlights, there are these great caps that I found from LX4. He found them and, you know, included a link and all that, so I'll make sure to tag those. But they're just an extended housing cap for the regular headlight assembly. I like to keep old spares just in case, because really, you never know. And, you know, there's a chance that I just don't like the LEDs or something. So, whew, what a mess. Got my oil changed today, so I like to write the date on which it was changed. As well as the mileage when it was done. Two, 7, 4, 4, 9, 6. Yeah, that's good. Right on. Good for another 7-ish thousand miles.